Are you ready for a game-changing update that could potentially put an extra $2,157 in your pocket? Hold on tight, because the Social Security Administration's SSA new payment calendar might completely transform how and when you receive your benefits. Before we dive into these exciting details, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You won't want to miss crucial updates on Social Security benefits, especially during this period of significant change. Have you ever found yourself frustrated trying to keep track of your benefit payment dates? Or maybe you've been struggling to understand the complicated schedule that has been in place for years. Well, today's update could provide the clarity and potential financial boost you've been waiting for. In this deep dive, we'll uncover exactly how the SSA's updated payment calendar works, why it matters, and most importantly, how it could unlock additional benefits valued at $2,157 for eligible recipients. Let's start by addressing the most pressing question on your mind. Where is this $2,157 coming from? And could you really qualify? This figure isn't arbitrary. It's based on careful calculations that consider the new payment schedule, retroactive adjustments, and special provisions that many beneficiaries might not even realize they qualify for. By understanding how these changes work, you could avoid missing out on a potentially significant financial opportunity. The SSA has been working behind the scenes to make benefit distribution more efficient, and this new payment calendar is a critical part of those efforts. What makes this change especially noteworthy is its potential to trigger reassessments of current benefit amounts. These reassessments could result in retroactive payments, adjustments to your monthly benefit, or even uncover underpayments you didn't know existed. For some recipients, these updates might collectively add up to the $2,157 figure we're discussing. Traditionally, Social Security payments have been distributed based on a complex formula tied to birth dates and benefit types. While this system has worked for decades, it has also created confusion and frustration for many recipients. The new payment calendar aims to simplify this process by introducing a more streamlined schedule. But here's where things get really interesting. This simplification isn't just about convenience. It opens the door for potential benefit adjustments that weren't previously accessible under the old system. You might be wondering, how can a simple calendar change lead to additional benefits? The answer lies in the ripple effects this update creates. Whenever the SSA rolls out significant changes, they often conduct reviews of current benefits to ensure everything aligns with the updated processes. These reviews can reveal discrepancies, such as underpayments or eligibility for additional benefits that might have been overlooked. For many beneficiaries, this could result in meaningful financial gains. Different types of beneficiaries will feel the effects of these changes in varying ways. For example, if you receive retirement benefits, disability benefits, or supplemental security income (SSI), your payment dates might shift under the new system. More importantly, you might discover that you qualify for additional benefits you weren't previously receiving. Families with dependents, recipients of multiple benefit types, or those who qualify under special provisions are particularly likely to see changes that work in their favor. Now let's discuss who might qualify for that $2,157 boost. It's important to note that this figure isn't guaranteed for everyone. It depends on individual circumstances, including your current benefit amount, how long you've been receiving payments, and whether you fall into specific categories eligible for retroactive adjustments. That's why it's crucial to stay informed about your unique situation and take proactive steps to ensure you're not leaving money on the table. Timing is another critical factor in this process. The SSA isn't implementing the new payment calendar overnight. Instead, they're rolling it out in phases to minimize disruptions and allow beneficiaries time to adapt. During this transition period, some recipients may become eligible for retroactive payments or adjustments tied to their specific benefit history. This phased approach not only ensures smoother implementation, but also creates opportunities for beneficiaries to maximize their gains. This update comes on the heels of other significant changes in Social Security, including cost of living adjustments (COLAs), shifts in Medicare premiums, and modifications to other benefit calculations. When combined, these changes create a perfect storm of opportunity for many recipients to see meaningful increases in their overall benefits. Understanding how these factors interact is key to making the most of this unique moment. If all of this sounds complicated, don't worry. The first step to navigating these changes is understanding your current benefits and payment schedule. Knowing exactly what you receive and when you receive it will help you spot any adjustments or discrepancies that arise under the new system. Keeping your information up to date is equally important. Any errors in your personal details, banking information, or benefit status could impact how these changes affect you. Consider specific scenarios where this update could make a significant difference. For example, if you qualify for benefits based on your own work record and your spouse's record, the new system might identify underpayments or overlooked eligibility. Similarly, if you have dependents receiving benefits on your record, such as children or disabled family members, the updated calendar could trigger reviews leading to increases in their payments as well. State-specific programs that supplement federal Social Security benefits could also be impacted. For SSI recipients, these changes might affect how state supplements are distributed, potentially leading to increased benefits. Additionally, interactions with other government programs, such as Medicare, Medicaid, or other forms of assistance, are also worth considering. The updated calendar could simplify coordination between these programs, reducing complications and ensuring you receive all the benefits you're entitled to. From a practical standpoint, the new payment calendar aims to make benefit delivery more predictable and reliable. For beneficiaries who rely on their payments to cover essential expenses like rent, utilities, or groceries, this added predictability is a significant advantage. But beyond convenience, this change represents a real opportunity to uncover financial gains that could positively impact your monthly budget. One of the best tools to navigate these changes is your online My Social Security account. If you haven't already created one, now is the time. This account gives you direct access to your benefit details, payment schedule, and any updates affecting your benefits. It's also an excellent way to verify that your banking information and personal details are accurate, which is crucial during a period of transition. Security is another important consideration. Unfortunately, scammers often try to exploit changes like this to target beneficiaries. Remember that the SSA will never call you asking for personal information or payment. Any official communication about the updated calendar will come through secure channels, such as mail or your online account. Staying vigilant can help protect you from potential scams. To maximize your benefits under the new system, take proactive steps now. Review your payment schedule to understand how and when your benefits might change. Use this opportunity to verify your eligibility for additional benefits or correct any discrepancies in your records. If you qualify for retroactive payments or ongoing increases, understanding how these are distributed, whether as lump sums or monthly adjustments, will help you plan effectively. Finally, remember that these changes don't just affect you, they can also impact family members who receive benefits on your record. If you have a spouse or dependents relying on these payments, ensure they are informed and prepared for potential changes to their payment schedules. In conclusion, the SSA's new payment calendar is more than just an administrative update. It's a chance for beneficiaries to gain clarity, convenience, and potentially significant financial benefits. By staying informed, using available resources, and taking the necessary steps to verify your eligibility, you can make the most of this transformative change. The $2,157 in potential benefits is within reach for those who act. Don't let this opportunity pass you by.